Conductor.
Yeah, right back. I walked in the studio, Noel said, I thought you quit. I said, nah, I'm quitting again because I started again. You gotta wait on that. It's like the storm before the calm. We'll get to the vacation later. For real. Hey.
What is up? It is currently around 2 p.m. and we're basically, this is the first meal, the first time we went out. I would normally eat a bit earlier than this, but I was very busy and going to the gym later actually. So yeah, right, this video is literally just going to be a day in the life. Right now we're at that Royal Atlantis. As you can see, look at these views behind us. If this doesn't motivate you, then I don't know what is. It's literally 15 minutes away from my house where I live here in Dubai, and this is just going to be a day in the life as a 20-year-old 7-figure funded trader. And yeah, just see what happens in this video. Right now I actually just booked my Emirates flight. Wait there, I don't want us to leak any information, because obviously if I tell you guys what day I'm flying, then normally there's loads of people waiting to sign autographs and everything like that. So but anyways, I just booked my Emirates business class flight without leaking any information there, and yeah, looking forward to go back. I go back to England on June the 2nd. Okay, well I've just told you when I go back anyway, so it doesn't matter what I just said in that last bit of the video. But yeah, go back to on June the 2nd. Gonna spend a few months in Europe, travel around Europe. I'm also going to host my my second in trading person event. So if you do want to join that, that'll be for the trading course members only. I'm sure there's loads of trading course members listening to this video, so make sure you're ready and check the Discord announcements for that, because that will be coming very soon. But nonetheless, literally just about to eat breakfast, about to have my extra chicken Caesar salad with the Caesar sauce on the side, and yeah, gonna go back straight into trading. This is gonna be a different type of video where I show you guys the live trading, my live thoughts, and then also do a recap after the fact. So thank you. So yeah, let's go. Gonna go back, trade after I eat my food, book the business class flights. Let's go. So now it is the most important part of the day. It is officially trading time. Right now it is 9:14 New York time. That equates to 5:14 p.m. Dubai time. Obviously I'm in Dubai, but I'm still trading the New York session because that is the best time of the day to trade. And yeah, I don't normally look at the chart before I actually start trading. I do live stream myself trading in my trading community and in my Discord. So every single day, Monday to Friday, I'll live stream myself trading, and that is where so many of you actually get to learn so much, because I trade the exact strategy that I teach. So if we're looking at the charts right here, every single day you want to start off with your daily bias, of course. Now a daily bias simply means where you think price action is going to go on that day and why. So right now it is 9:15. I'll tell you my daily bias. I'll tell you what I think the price action is most likely going to do on the higher time frame. Then you'll either see a clip during the live stream that I'll record and put in this video, or I'll do some more analysis after, or I'll do both. We'll see how the session goes today. Remember, the best piece of advice that I can give to you if you're watching this and you're trying to become a trader is you have to go into every single day of the markets not expecting to take a trade, and you only take a trade if you see that setup, okay? So if we're looking at the charts right here, we have the daily time frame. I'm looking at the daily time frame. I can see that we're respecting this bearish fair value gap. And honestly, there's really not much going on this daily time frame. We've inversed these bearish fair value gaps to the left, and we have moved up. We've swept buy side liquidity, which was resting here, which was resting right here, and then also resting there. But other than that, nothing is really happening on the higher time frame. So once you get your daily time frame, you drop to the 4 hour. As you can see on the 4 hour, we have something a bit more interesting. We have this bullish fair value gap. which has been inversed. So all that means is we've had a bearish candle close below a bullish fair value gap in the market. So what this means is price action is now most likely going to go to some sort of sell side liquidity. So going into New York Open and going into the session today, this is the first time I've looked at these charts, but I now most likely think that, especially if price action can inverse this 1 hour bullish fair value gap, we'll see that at 10 a.m. If price action, I think price action should most likely be drawn to this low right here. So when I'm trading from 9:30, I think that this could be a very nice target. And of course we have this massive bullish fair value gap, and we'll see from there. But ultimately, I'm not going into today with a massive strong bias. I don't have a very strong bullish bias. I don't have a very strong bearish bias. So what I will do as well is go to the 15-minute time frame, go to the 5-minute time frame, check for potential strong draws on liquidity, and see where to go from there. For example, this 5-minute fair value gap just inverse, so where should we go? We should go to some sell side liquidity, which happened perfectly. And ultimately, that is the type of setup that I'm going to be looking for in the market. So hopefully the next clip, you'll see me entering into a trade, hopefully, or you will see me doing some analysis of a trade that maybe I was interested in or didn't take. So let's see how this goes. And also, whilst you're here, leave in the comments below if this is the type of content that you want to see me trading, as well as a day in the life. Let's have a look at the higher time frames here. On the daily time frame, is not really showing us much. We're still respecting this daily bearish fair value gap. We on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is probably the most interesting in my opinion here, as we've disrespected this bullish fair value gap. So because we've disrespected this bullish fair value gap, we've respected this bearish fair value gap here, and we're respecting the daily bearish fair value gap. I think that the highest probability right now is probably for us to come for this swing low right here. And then yeah, same with the 1 hour. We've got this big 1 hour bullish fair value gap. I think if we can inverse this bullish fair value gap here, there's no reason why we won't want to come down for the lows. So yeah, that's what I think there. What's everyone's bias in the chat? What are your guys' bias in the chat today? Are you bullish, bearish? Bearish. What's everyone's daily bias? Alright, we'll see. We'll see what we can do today. Let's catch some winning trades. How about that? If you're taking a 5-minute trade and you're targeting this low, for example, then I would just use a maximum. I would use a hard stop loss. Do you know what I mean? Obviously you have your camouflage there. I'd probably set the maximum stop loss around here, and then just target those lows there. Move your stop loss to break even once we take this low there. Alright, so as you can see, we actually did hit that low very nicely from the 5-minute. As you guys know, I pretty much don't really take trades from the 5-minute time frame, but this was very nice displacement, and we did sweep the buy side liquidity. And most importantly, like I said at the start of the stream, this was the target and the draw that I was most interested in. And as you can see, it perfectly got swept there from the 5-minute. Again, not a trade that I personally would take. If you did take a trade in the chat, which I know some of you did, I would just use a hard stop loss around here, and then obviously target this low, and you can always leave a runner. Very nice draw on liquidity. That was the most obvious point. Did anybody in the chat take the 5-minute or not? Again, I personally didn't take the 5-minute. I'm not interested in the 5 minutes. I know some of you did. I'm sure most of you probably didn't take it, but yeah, some of you took it. That's probably the ratio that I expected. So right now we just finished up trading and we're heading to the gym before the PM session. The PM session starts at 10 PM Dubai time. It's currently 8:20 PM Dubai time. So yeah, gonna head to the gym. Literally a good hour session. Then I'm gonna jump in the sauna, and we should be back for perfectly in time to stream the PM session to the Discord. And yeah, hopefully we catch a winning trade. Unluckily, we didn't catch a winning trade today in the AM session. I was perfectly right about my bias and where I thought the price action was gonna go, which I'll show you guys once I get back home and back at the charts. As you can see, my bias about the 4 hour being the drawn liquidity down there, literally perfect. Sadly, we just couldn't get any executions, which happens. No losses to take. And yeah, going on to the PM session, hopefully we catch some great winning trades, and let's go to the gym.
This is a man's world, but it wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or girl. Ooh, you see, man made the call to take us over the road. Man made the trip.
Alright, we just finished up on the gym. It was a decent little workout, like a high intensity workout. Worked out a bit of everything. Didn't really like train a specific muscle today because honestly we didn't have as much time as I normally would like in the gym, so I didn't want to do like a proper full workout on one muscle and then mess up my whole schedule. So I just did a bit of everything, nothing crazy heavy, more just like body weight stuff. But if you want to stay disciplined in the charts, people always ask me, how do you get more disciplined when you're trading, and how do you get more, I don't want to say motivated, but yeah, more disciplined. And realistically, if you want to be more disciplined in the charts, then you got to be more disciplined just in your day-to-day life. So eating healthy is something that I always pretty much do, except yesterday I did have a Domino's, but that was a one-off. And yeah, overall you just got to stay disciplined in your day-to-day life. Just finished the gym, ordered a protein smoothie, then I'm going to jump in the sauna, steam room, and then literally go home, trade the PM, hopefully catch a winning trade, make me loads of money, and we'll go from there. See what the rest of the day has entailed for us. What is up? We are currently trading the PM session, and this is live. As you can see, the live charts, this is the exact price action that I'm seeing. So let's get some live trading for the YouTube video, see what we can do. Here's the daily time frame. My bias is still the same as earlier. As you can see, what I said earlier was my draw on liquidity was this 4-hour low and also the 1-hour low. Look what happened. We swept this 4-hour low, we swept this 1-hour low absolutely perfectly. What I'm teaching you guys, it's not a coincidence, okay? Look at what's happened. We inversed the bullish fair value gap here, and we came to these lows in the market. And yeah, that is literally exactly what happened. So right now we're just hopefully going to catch some nice, hopefully I'm going to catch some nice PM trades. This is what the market currently looks like. Nothing insanely special just yet, but it's literally only 20 minutes into the PM session. The PM session is 2 hours long, so we got more than enough time to catch some potential trades. And yeah, I'll keep recording the whole time. We're currently live in the PM session here. As you can see, all of the premium members trading the PM session together, talking in the chat and talking on voice call. That is also what you get included. So hopefully, I mean, my analysis right here, it's still a bit more bearish than bullish. We do have some buy side liquidity above, resting nicely. Let's see what we can do. We came down, well, we've kind of been going sideways ever since 10:30 a.m. here. As you can see, taps into these higher time frame bearish fair value gaps. Honestly, anything could happen. I'm waiting for a clean setup. Preferably, I would like to be interested in short positions here, but let's see what we can do. We'll see here, candle closing 15 seconds. That is some strong displacement.
Is that fair value gap too small?
No, the fair value gap's not too small. We still got the equal lows on ES. I think we'll go for the low on Nasdaq here. Very nice displacement. That's exactly what you want to see when we emboss, like string displacement like that. It would be better if we had if we didn't take out the break-even point though at 923. With the 5-minute bearish at 70, I think we should still probably go for the low here, or at least equal lows on ES. Alright, so we're currently in this trade right now, entered off this inversion fair value gap. Stop losses back if we get a bullish candle close above this range right here, above this bullish fair value gap that we entered from. Stop loss to break even when we take these equal lows right here. And yeah, it's not really the cleanest trade right here. As you can see, we're getting a bit of consolidation. This is not what you want to see when you enter into a trade, the consolidation like this. But I mean, yeah, just gotta stick to the strategy, follow the rules. Hopefully we got a nice draw on liquidity here, being the equal lows. We've got a bearish SMT. This is only a singular 1 minute that we've inversed there. So we'll see. I think we do still come down to these equal lows, even though this price action right now is not what we want to be seeing. this is very, well, it is just consolidating. Of course, when you're trading, you don't know after you enter into a trade if the price action is going to start consolidating or not. And yeah, beforehand, if we look when we enter the trade, we get this massive displacement down candle. We have the equal lows below, so I thought we would come and target these equal lows, which I still do think we'll target. These equal lows resting right here. A lot of people in the Discord are in this trade as well. So yeah, just got to stick to your strategy, stick to your plan here. Target in the equal lows, stop loss to break even there. We've also got some more equal lows down here in the market. Also got equal lows on ES, and again with that bearish SMT. So we'll see if we want to come down or not. Stick to the plan. You really want to see price action come down and take out the equal lows now. If we don't take out the equal lows now, then I don't think we will. So yeah, I want to see speed, and I want to see speed and displacement down below these equal lows, like on this or the next candle. I might even take one contract off just because I don't really like the price action here with this consolidation. And no, yeah, so perfect. Hit the equal lows there. I'll take some small profits there. Nothing crazy, and now we'll hold this rest of the position and see if we can catch a nice move down basically. Let me just quickly ask the Discord to see if anyone's in it. Did anybody take the shorts here? Anybody take the shorts here? Nice.
Yep.
Perfect. Yeah, but yeah, very nice trade. I mean, I think this is a pretty decent trade to take. Obviously, the price action after we entered isn't the nicest, but you don't know whether you're gonna get that or not when you enter the trade. So, I mean, as long as you're managing your risk correctly, then yeah, I think this was a nice little trade to take there. All right, rest to stop loss to break even on the rest there, around a light. What was that? I don't even know how much I just made on that trade. Yeah, a light winning trade there. Nothing crazy. Taking on the accounts, and yeah, just the start of the PM session here. Hopefully we can catch some nice more winning trades. We're not even halfway into the session.
No, I'm out. I'm currently eating those Doritos nacho cheese without any dipping sauce, and I made 4K today.
You need some dip.
I'm nice. I'm happy. That's why I'm eating chips.
Did you just hear one of the members say he's made $4,000 today, and he's eating some crisps? So as you just seen from that previous video, we took that winning trade in the PM session. I stopped trading after that because I started to eat, and trading in the PM session is quite late in Dubai. It starts at 10 PM. And the New York session, the AM session, as you've seen as well, that went perfectly. We didn't quite manage to take a perfect winning trade, but well, we took that one trade, the rest was stopped to break even. And yeah, this is what I do every single day. If you like this type of content, as you know, the markets are not random. You've literally seen me predict the markets today. This is the first day that I've recorded this. I can pretty much record these types of videos every single day, and then maybe get them posted every other day or every 3 days. So let me know in the comments if you do like this style of video, and also if you do want to get coached by me and you want to really make money in trading, then all of the links are in my bio. You have the one-on-one mentorship, or you have the trading course. So make sure you join up one of them and really take advantage of what is in front of you. You're going to see me take some crazy profits in the near future. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below if you like this style, and hopefully you did enjoy.